Okay. We're doing science today, right? And which planets are we doing? No, which you have inner and outer. We're doing the outer planets right now. And we know the outer planets consist of what? Brooke? Gas planets, yes. What are the 4 gas planets landed?
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and what was it? Neptune.
Thank you, sir. All right. So, if they're gas planets, what they are made of?
Gas.
So, could we land on them and walk on them?
No.
What would happen to us?
We fall.
No, it's fine.
We fall right through.
There it is. Okay. So, with that being said, we're going to finish up on Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune today. Okay. All right. Now, who can tell me what separates the inner planets and the outer planets? I know my guys who study the planet book know that. I know y'all know, right? So I'm gonna go with Eli.
Asteroid belt.
My man, good asteroid belt. That's what it is. Okay, so you have the inner planets, which are 4 planets, which are what? Who knows the 4 inner planets? I'm gonna go with Parker.
Mercury.
Come on. Yeah, you can use that.
Venus, Earth, and Mars.
There you go. All right, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Those are 4. Okay, so we're gonna finish up with the gas planets, and so you'll get ready to take notes. Okay? Good. Good to go. All right. Now you get nice for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read over. We got Jupiter already done, and so we go over Saturn, and then I'm gonna pause it, and then you can take some notes. Okay?
Years. After Jupiter comes Saturn, another gas giant. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Although they look solid from a distance, the rings are actually made from many, many small ice particles, as well as rocks and dust. Saturn also has more than 60 moons orbiting around it, some as large as the planet Mercury, and many smaller. Something interesting about Saturn is that even though it is very large, it is not very dense. That means that if you could find a bathtub large enough to put Saturn in, it would float instead of sink. Saturn is the farthest planet that can be seen from Earth without the help of a telescope. After
All right. Now. Okay. What are some things that we learned about Saturn? Parker. Preston. My bad.
It's a gas giant.
It's a gas giant. Okay, we know that. What else do we know about Saturn? What else did y'all hear in the video about Saturn? Come on, don't write. I need you to listen. What else did you learn in the video about Saturn? Caleb.
It's the 6th planet away from the sun.
Okay, the 6th planet away from the sun. Make sure I write that down. Okay, it's already there. I got that on mine. Mister. All right. What else you got?
You can't see it from Earth.
You said you can or can't?
You can't.
No, you can.
You can. It's the last one you can see.
You can see it from Earth. You can.
Without a telescope.
Without a telescope. Thank you. Yep. All right. Now, I had, and this is what I did for, I said it had beautiful rings. What are the rings made of? Matthew?
Rocks and moon.
Okay, rocks and dust. Yes, rocks and yep. Gotcha. What else did we learn? Yes, ma'am.
If you could find a bathtub big enough to put it in, it would float.
Okay. Yes. I'm out of space. But yes. found a bathtub, it would float, right? It would. All right?
Means it doesn't have a lot of mass. It's
Doesn't have a lot of
not
mass,
very
right.
dense.
Okay.
More than 60 moons orbiting around it.
How much, ma'am?
More than 60.
More than 60 moons, right? Thank you. I'll put that on. Yeah, all right. Gotcha, okay. All right. So, anybody else? Anything else? Good? All right, this is what I got. So I got the 6 planets from the sun, most beautiful rings. Also, this is a side note, when found by Galileo in 1610, he thought he was seeing 3 planets. That's just some notes I had. You can see it from Earth, and it has more than 60 moons. Okay? 60. And it's light mass, no mass. Okay, is what Ms. Rebecca told us. Okay? Everybody got that? Everybody good? Everybody still copying? Right. You need a minute? Okay, that's fine. Let me know. Answer here when you finish. I don't know when it's finished. Is that a little better for you, Becca? A little better, okay. You good now? Do it a little more time. You good? All right. Rebecca, you good? You need one more time.
No.
Good? Okay. Every- How much you need, Hannah?
Like 3 minutes?
Nope. Too long.
Come on, Hannah.
2. 1 minute.
You got a minute. Let's go. Hurry up. All right, Hannah. Come on.
Go ahead and switch. She'll just have to catch up later.
All right, gotcha. All right, Hannah. All right. I'll let you get to it. All right, we're going to the next one.
Comes Uranus, the 7th planet from the sun. Uranus is another gas giant, but it is much smaller than Saturn and Jupiter. Unlike any other planet in the solar system, it is tilted so much that it actually spins sideways. Uranus has rings around it, although they are much smaller than Saturn's, and 27 known moons. Uranus is covered in blue clouds made of methane, which give it its lovely color. Very similar to Uranus is Neptune, the 8th planet from the sun.
All right. Okay. What's he got there, Presley?
It's the 7th planet from the sun.
Okay, good. I got that. 7th planet from the sun. Okay. Logan, what you got?
It has 20 known moons. 20 known moons.
You said 27 known moons. Yep, I got that too. 27 known moons. Okay. All right. What else you got? Let's see what call on in a minute. Wesley. I got one down there for you. Blue cloud, right? It was given in blue color. Yep. All right. So I got that, got that. And there's one more thing it said that caught my eye. No, I see y'all. I see you. But I'm gonna let my friend Matthew answer this one here. Yes, sir, you. Come on.
It's small.
Hmm?
It's a small planet.
Small planet? No, I didn't say small planet. Yes, you in the back.
Roll on its side.
It rolls on the side. Right. It rolls on the side. Just like that. Just like a barrel. It rotates backward. The axis is tilted on its side. Okay? Got 7 planets from the sun, rotates backwards. Its axis is tilted on the side. 27 moons and has blue clouds, which gives it the blue color. Okay? That's number 7, Uranus. All right. Ready for the next one? All right. Let's go. Let me switch over. And here we go.
Neptune is another gas giant, and like Uranus, it has methane in its atmosphere, so it also looks blue. Neptune is a darker blue than Uranus, and scientists aren't sure why. Neptune has a few thin rings and 14 moons that we know about. Because Neptune is so far out in space, it takes it a very, very long time to go around the sun. Remember Mercury, that only takes 88 days to go once around the sun? Poor Neptune takes over 164 years to finish an orbit around the sun. The last time that Neptune was in the same place it is now was before the American Civil War, before computers, phones, airplanes, or cars had been invented. Neptune has the longest orbit of any planet in the solar system. Now you may think that I've forgotten someone. Pluto.
All right. Okay. All right. What do we know about Neptune? Presley, you're the first one to raise your hand, girl. I'm gonna give you this. What you got, Presley?
It's the 8th planet from the sun.
It's the 8th planet away from the sun. Okay. 8th planet from the sun. Okay. Got that one? If I don't know that, Sophia answered the question, so I think she could beat me up. So Sophia, what you got?
It's a darker blue than Saturn.
That's
A Uranus.
dark. Okay, so darker blue clouds.